Hi! I know, I'm not doing many videos lately. A lot of things are happening. Today I would like to talk about a kind of innovation which is an old Atlantis healing tool with crystals. The man who invented that, he's an engineer. He runs his own company, but when he did a past life regression with Johannes in Germany and Austria, he had a past life memory of a rotating technology machine which has certain crystals in a certain position, certain size, and certain colors. So he started constructing this crystal rotating gadget. That's what I call it, because in Germany we call it Kristallrad. That means a crystal wheel. It's like a crystal wheel because it keeps rotating. So what he does is, when he invented that, he started doing research about it, in a sense that he would work with very high sensitive, high psychic abilities person, like with a psychic person. So he reached out to me, he said, Agatha, can you please try it and let me know what you feel and give me a feedback. I said, of course I will do that. So what he did is, he told me in the morning when I woke up to have a glass of water. I sent him a picture of me, so he printed it out and he kept it underneath the crystal wheel. So when he started, I did realize that it was actually quite weird, because at first it pulled me totally into my body, and then I could feel I'm getting flushed with a lot of light, bright white light energy frequency. And then after that, it felt like all the negative dark stuff is just going out of my system. And that day I was not feeling so well, because I do remember I had something which that was stressing me out regarding work or something. And I was thinking, wow, in the morning I'm so tired. And he offered that to me, and I said, okay, fine, let me try it, because then I know for sure if it makes a difference. So he did that for 10 minutes, and I kept feeling the energy like vibrating and tingling sensation in my body. And after the 10 minutes, I swear by God, I did feel very different, and the whole entire day was so much easier. So then we did a second session, which was, I'm in Mexico, so we have those 20-25 liter water bottles, but in that area where I am, it's like an UV filtered water, which I don't like at all, and I cannot drink it. My body just rejects it. So then I said, okay, Herbert, you said you want me to test it out, so here's what I want. I said, I want you to energize my drinking water. So he said, okay, fine, send me a picture. And I sent him a picture, and I know exactly how water tastes. I'm like, how do you say, like a wine taster, but I'm a water taster. I can tell if water is good, if there's high energy in it. I can taste water. So what he did is, he took the picture, and he was, again, for 10 minutes, I think, he was rotating the crystals, projecting energy onto that picture with the water. I swear by God, it was very different. The water was smooth, it was more alkaline, it was not so sour, and my body had a much easier time to absorb that water, because before it was just rejecting it. So for that entire week, I had really nice, great water to drink. And then I was thinking, okay, just let me try, when that tank is empty, let me try the other one. And I swear again, the other one, the usual one, was again very sour. And I was like, okay, so I gave that feedback to Herbert, and I was like, it's very interesting. So what he did is, also, he told me, he said, Agatha, okay, we can take one crystal. Do you have rose quartz? We can de-energize it, like make it empty, make it free of information, and then charge that crystal, and of course ask for permission. That's what he told me. That was very interesting. He said, charge that crystal, and you can use that crystal always to energize all the other waters. Hi Jennifer, hi Baha. So he did that, so I'm always using this water, and it does make a change, because I feel so much better drinking that water, and before I was really struggling. So then there was a third session, which I don't know the name in English, but it's what he does is he has a list of many beliefs, negative beliefs, for the body, like programming, like a kind of reprogramming sheet. So he was using that with a machine and kind of scanning my body and sending me those positive frequencies, which is benefiting my health. So he said, Agatha, tell me please the difference between the first and second session and the third session. And I was thinking, yeah, okay, fine, but you know, seriously, this third session was so different, the frequency was very different, and he works with Tesla technology. So the third session was like really huge tingling sensation. I was really having a hard time, like my body was vibrating. I was like trying to gasp for breath when he started talking to me after 10 minutes. And I said, you know, give me some time. My body is like really vibrating, and you know, it's like I could feel the energy running through my body and my veins and my cells. And he said, oh wow, that's so interesting, because I can't feel it. Like he cannot feel anything, but it's so interesting when he gets a feedback. And he said, oh, he has never done it that far because he's in Austria and I'm in Mexico. So energy never has time or space or distance. It always works. Like I do remote healing, right? I do starseed activation, I do healer activation, I work with energies, and I always do it remote. I never do it one-on-one, and I don't do videos because it's not necessary. Energy is everywhere. It's always about intention. So he really did create something beautiful, which is an old Atlantean technology. And if you want to reach out to him, I will put his webpage down, and he's also a member of this group. You can reach out to him and ask him, for example, to energize your water. You can ask him to work with your glands. You can ask him if you have some health issues to work with you. It's very reasonable, and yeah, I think he's glad and happy if you reach out to him, and it will benefit you also. I have tried it with the water because I was very skeptic, and I'm actually very happy that I can charge my water now. I used to do it, but sometimes when I have so much work, I'm tired and I don't have the energy to charge my water. Yeah, it makes life easy. So I'm going to put the link below, and I'm going to send you the contact details. I tagged him, Herbert Klatschnik. He's from Austria. Then you can just reach out to him and talk to him, because I feel for starseeds, crystals are always amazing, but always make sure that you do work with people. Hi Felix, hi Roland. Do always work with people who have the right intentions, the right mindset, and when you feel comfortable. That's so important. Okay, many greetings from Mexico. You have, remember, next full moon is an eclipse. We're having portal days. It started 9th of May till 19th of May. So we have really high frequent energies. And this year is just starting and hitting with a lot of high frequent energies. So a lot of stuff is going to come up. Please don't run away. Face it. Reach out to healers. I'm a healer. I'm a psychic. I'm a seer. Reach out to people like her. But there are people who can help you, because I also have my people I reach out to. Because whatever you do, whatever you spend money on, it should be always for yourself. And that's what is self-worth, self-love. And I always have people here in this group who do healing, and we do starseed origin readings. And there's always a special discount for all the group members, because I want that you do benefit from whatever's going on here in the group. And I will make sure that it comes from a right place with a good intention. So, hi Chris, hi Roland. So, I do wish you good morning, good evening, or good night. Talk to you soon. Bye.